What if the real money in this bull run isn't in Bitcoin at all? What if it's in the rotation that comes right after? The one that smart money is already preparing for, because right now we're entering the most important phase of the cycle and most people have no idea how to play it. So in this video, I'll show you how to time the shift from Bitcoin to altcoins, how to avoid becoming someone else's exit liquidity, and how to position yourself before the market explodes. Let's go. Everyone thinks altcoin comes after Bitcoin crashes. Wrong. That's when you get dumped on. In 2021, Altseason started while Bitcoin was still running. But here's the thing. Ethereum was already outperforming. Bitcoin dominance was falling and capital was rotating into riskier bets. That's your cue. Bitcoin dominance is peaking. ETH is showing strength, and behind the scene, smart money is rotating. Retail isn't paying attention yet, but on-chain data says otherwise. And here's the kicker. The Fed is hinting at Q4 rate cut. Liquidity is coming back, and that's exactly when altcoins fly. So how do you know when to rotate? Here are 3 signals I watch. 1. ETH BTC breakout. 2. A sharp drop in Bitcoin dominance, and 3, a major macro catalyst like a Fed pivot. When all 3 align, Altseason is not coming, it's here. So start with high conviction large cap, then layer in your mid cap, and finally small caps with strong narrative. But timing matters. Don't ape in at once. Use dollar cost average and set your exit plan before you enter, because Altseason is fast and brutal. This isn't 2021. New narratives are leading. AI plus crypto is heating up. Dipping is gaining traction. Real world assets, massive institutional interest. And of course, meme coins, even if I'm not a big fan of. If you're not tracking all this, you're playing the wrong game. Here's how you get wrecked. You chase green candles, you FOMO into low caps with no liquidity. You follow influencers who got in before you, and you forgot to take profit. Don't do that. Be smarter this cycle. This Altseason could be the biggest one yet, but only if you play it right. Watch the signals, track the narratives, and position before the herd. If this helped you, hit that like button and let me know in the comment which altcoin are you watching right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.